Hey guys, Lars here. I hope all of you are doing really well. In today's video, we want to take a quick look inside the Merry IoT BroWAN Helium Hotspot. This comes in quite a handy packaging. As you can see, it's quite a bit bigger than my hand, but not really that much. Yes. For now, I will remove the packaging, the plastic packaging, and after this, we will take a look inside. Okay, so I removed the plastic of the packaging and now we can open this up. Doing this with one hand is a bit tricky, but there we go. So yeah, the first thing we can see is an installation guide. Quite nice, perfect. And this is the BroWAN Helium Hotspot. So let's take a look on it. A second. My goodness, this thing is so small. Nice. Yeah. Okay, on the back side you can see there's power, probably 12 volts, Ethernet connection, USB, and yeah, there you can see an SD card. Let's see if we can take this out. No, not with one hand, but yeah, this is quite small, interesting. What else can we find inside the packaging? Let's take a look. Okay, so there's the stand for the antenna. That's the antenna. Oh my goodness. This is like the Nebra standard antenna or the Rag Wireless standard antenna. It's a small one. And here we go. I got the EU plug because I'm from the EU, and the power adapter. Okay, that's it for now. I will do another video where I will open up this device and we will take a deeper look inside how it looks there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.